Onam is round the corner, and without this dish, Onam truly feels incomplete. It's sweet, it's delicious, and it's a traditional favorite. Yes, it's Payasam. Hello everyone, and welcome to Simply Grace's Kitchen. Today we are going to prepare a very authentic and traditional recipe, Cherupayaru Payasam, that is green gram payasam. This is made using whole green gram, just like in the olden days. Let's get started. First, we need to extract fresh coconut milk. From about 4 to 5 medium coconuts, you'll get around 3 cups of thick milk and 6 cups of thin milk. I have pinned the link of coconut milk extraction. You can check it out if needed. Let's see the ingredients. 3 cups of Cherupayar, that is whole green gram, 6 cups thin coconut milk, 3 cups thick coconut milk, about 800 to 900 grams of jaggery, 6 tablespoons of ghee, half to 3/4 cup each of raisins and cashews, 1 to 1 1/2 teaspoons of dry ginger powder, 1 to 1 1/2 teaspoons of cardamom powder, and finally some small coconut pieces sliced. The cashews, raisins and coconut pieces will be fried in ghee, so these are all the ingredients we need. First, we dry roast the cherupayar lightly until a nutty aroma comes. Then wash well and keep it aside. Next, we melt the jaggery. Add a little water first, then about 1 cup of water. We don't need a thick syrup, just enough to dissolve and strain out the impurities. Meanwhile, in a pressure cooker, boil 7 to 8 cups of water. Add the cherupayar, close the lid and pressure cook for about 5 whistles or until soft. Here's a small tip. I tried this tip from a video. It really works. Brush a little oil inside the cooker. No more spillage when it whistles. Try it and tell me in the comments, friends. The green gram should turn soft but not completely mushy. The shape of the gram should still be visible. I'm glad you are watching my video. Don't forget to like and comment, friends. And if you are new here, please subscribe to Simply Grace's Kitchen and click the bell icon so you won't miss my updates. As the green gram cooks, I powdered cardamom and dry ginger and kept them ready. If your ginger and cardamom are not very sharp, you can add a little more than mentioned. Now in a pan, heat ghee and fry the cashews, raisins and coconut pieces one by one until golden brown. Let's open the cooker. See, the cherupayar is perfectly cooked. Soft, yet it has held its shape. I am transferring this into a big earthen pot called a manchatti in Malayalam. This really gives an authentic flavor. Next, strain the melted jaggery directly into the pot. Stir gently and let it simmer for about 10 to 15 minutes, stirring in between. Now add the cardamom powder and dry ginger powder. Followed by the thin coconut milk, about 6 cups. Allow it to simmer for another 5 to 8 minutes. After that, we add the 3 cups of thick coconut milk. Stir gently for 30 seconds and immediately switch off the stove. Remember, do not boil after adding thick coconut milk, otherwise it can split or turn oily. Finally, add the fried cashews, raisins and coconut bits. Also add just a pinch of salt. it balances the sweetness beautifully. Since this is made in an earthen pot, the heat stays for a long time and the payasam will naturally thicken as it cools. Since I was making it in a traditional way, I did not use condensed milk. These days, many use condensed milk for a thicker, creamier texture. But the authentic version is always made with pure coconut milk to keep that original flavor. And that's it, friends. Our traditional Kerala Cherupayaru Payasam is ready. Some love to eat it hot while others prefer it chilled. Personally, I love it after keeping in fridge overnight. It tastes heavenly the next day. How do you like your payasam? Since this is the traditional version, I used whole green gram, but you can also try with split and skinned green gram if you like.
Friends,
This Onam prepare the Payaru Payasam for your family and friends, either with whole gram or with split gram, with coconut milk or with a mix of coconut milk and condensed milk. Whichever way you choose, it's sure to be delicious. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe to my channel. Until I come with another recipe, happy cooking and take care. And a happy Onam.